What do you want Haitian to do? Because recently we had a show on Hot 97. One Puerto Rican mentioned to Haitian people, he said, the reason why I do not have AIDS because I don't deal with Haitian women. But at the same time, some Haitian get offended. Remember when they say Haitian had AIDS? Everybody, yes. You see the massive Haitian went and shake the bridge.
Yeah.
When they asked me that question, when I saw that on video, I didn't get mad. The reason why I didn't get mad, because when it comes to sensitive problem like this, Haitian always get mad. When somebody say Haitian smell, they get mad. How come they never stand up for their country when they say massive people live under the tent and they don't go in Washington to rise up their board and say enough is enough? What do you think about that?
I think that is a wonderful question, and I, like you, or very much like so many other Haitians, I didn't tolerate the fact that, to me, I don't think that's a joke.
Yeah.
I frankly say that you don't make any joke that has a relation with a disease,
yeah,
to a whole nation. You know, I did write about it on Facebook. Mm-hmm. I was very disappointed to see some Haitian women, two of them more particularly, that said, oh, it was just a joke, people get over it. No, it's not about getting mm-hmm. over it. Why didn't that Puerto Rican dude make his reference to a female Caucasian, American Caucasian, yeah. mm-hmm. or African American, so to speak? Well, not that it would be right to use any other nation, like I said earlier. Mm-hmm. However, why choosing the Haitian woman? And then he went on later to apologize on Facebook, because I saw that clip.
Yeah.
Well, good thing that he apologized. It's not that we cannot forgive him from saying it, but then again, just he was saying like, oh, when I go eat a DJ, yeah. I usually
that's
give
an
props
excuse
to that. I'm like, that has nothing to do with what you said.